In this video, we're going to approach comping from a bit more creative aspect. So what we're going to do first is enable take lanes, show take lanes, and then we're going to insert new take lanes, empty, brand new take lanes. Let's just insert a couple more. And then once we're done, we will fill these up with loops. So we already got a basic kick and snare loop. And our goal will be to create some glitchy and interesting top loop variations. So I saved a couple of them into the browser. So let's just quickly chuck them into live and fill the empty take lanes up with these loops. Try to have the loops as different in terms of sound characteristics as possible. Let's also go ahead and recolor them, just so we'll be able to visualize better once the comp is finished. Okay, so now that's done, we're going to enable the pencil tool. So hit B on the computer keyboard and just select some random portions by the grid out of these various loops. That doesn't have to be any particular order, just literally just whatever you fancy. And once we got there, let's check the result out. There we go.